Hi, I'm Andrew, and this is Quicktech with Hollyland, a teaching program about Hollyland products. If you have any question about Hollyland products, leave a comment with questions and we will provide the answers as fast as possible. Our product today is the Mars M1 monitor. We are going to demonstrate some of its advanced operations. How to connect the Mars M1 to the HollyView application. The Mars M1 needs to be in the transmitter mode for connecting to the application. Download the HollyView application from the App Store, set the Mars M1 to the transmitter mode, enter the Wi-Fi settings screen onto mobile phone and find the Wi-Fi name HLD. You can check the Mars M1 Wi-Fi name by tap the setting device into the Mars M1. Enter the default Wi-Fi password from 1 to 8, connect to the network. The Wi-Fi assistant function needs to be disabled on the same mobile phone. Open the HollyView application on your mobile phone and tap the connect. Does the Mars M1 supports 4K video input and output? The Mars M1 supports up to 4K 30 frames per second video input. However, its display screen is limited to 1080p. In transmitter mode, the video is also limited to 1080p. The Mars M1 fully supports up to 4K 30 frames per second video with the HDMI in and HDMI loop out. What devices can connect it to the Mars M1 and how is pairing performed? The Mars M1 can connect it to the Mars 300 Pro, Mars 400S Pro, and Mars 4K. Mars M1 receiver mode pairing procedure. Set the Mars M1 to receiver mode by tapping settings. Function switch and then selecting the receiver option. Choose settings. Pair from the menu on the Mars Pro series or Mars 4K transmitter. Tap pair on the Mars M1 at the same time. Mars M1 transmitter mode pairing procedure. Set the Mars M1 to the transmitter mode by tapping settings, function switch and then selecting the transmitter option. Choose setting pairing from the menu on the Mars Pro Sense or Mars 4K receiver. Tap pair on the Mars M1 at the same time. Choose setting pair from the menu on the Mars Pro series or Mars 4K receiver. Tap pair on the Mars M1 at the same time. Can the Mars M1 play videos with the SDI in and the HDMI in? The SDI in and the HDMI in of the Mars M1 support video play only in the transmitter mode. The Mars M1 does not support video play with the SDI in and the HDMI in the receiver mode. Again, I'm Andrew, and this is Quicktech with Hollyland, a teaching program about Hollyland products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.